It can happen in any pool, and it can happen fast, the dreaded algae bloom. If your water's gone green, HTH has what you need to clear it up. Before you get started, make sure your pool has a multi-port valve to bypass the filter or recirculate the water. This makes sure you can vacuum up any debris from your pool floor after cleaning the algae, without having it run through your filter. Next, test your pool water with HTH 6-way test strips to make sure your pH level is between 7.2 and 7.8. Now you're ready to work. Before you use the chemicals, make sure you put on protective gloves and eyewear. Never mix different chemicals or dissolve them before use, and always follow label instructions. Today, we'll be using HTH Pool Care Green to Blue Advanced Shock System. It contains 4 packs of shock, that's the Green to Blue Advanced 1, and 2 packs of flocculant, that's the Green to Blue Advanced 2. Start by adding 2 bags of shock per 10,000 gallons of pool water. Simply disperse the granules evenly around the sides of the pool. Make sure the granules dissolve completely. If they settle on the bottom, stir them up with a long-handled brush. After the shock has completely dissolved, switch the valve on your filter to recirculate the water. Next, add 1 bag of flocculant to your pool skimmer for every 10,000 gallons of water. The flocculant helps the algae settle to the bottom for easy vacuuming. After a full 24 hours, the water should be clear again and any algae debris should have settled on the bottom. Now, all you have to do is vacuum the settled debris with the multi-port valve in the waste position, and your algae problem is gone. Once you've tested your water again to verify that the free available chlorine level is between 1 and 4 parts per million, your pool is ready for swimming. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to go from green to beautifully clear pool water in no time. For more helpful tips, check out our other HTH Pool Care videos. You're all clear with HTH.